Are you looking for a simple way to collect payments from your customers, whether that be for any products you may be selling or even donations? Or maybe you offer ongoing services and want to collect recurring subscription payments. There are so many different ways you can collect online payments these days, it's hard to know which one to choose that fulfills all your needs, not to mention how complicated or not it may be to integrate on your site. Whether you want to be able to accept one-time or recurring payments, offer refunds at the drop of a hat, track payments in real time, and more, the Stripe add-on by WPForms has got you covered. The Stripe add-on lets you easily accept one-time or recurring payments via credit card or other payment methods from your users by using one of the most popular and trusted online payment processing solutions on the market. Once you've connected your site to Stripe, you can create your payment form and easily add the Stripe credit card field to it by using our drag-and-drop form builder. You can then configure the settings for your connection to Stripe. If you're accepting recurring payments, you can create different payment plans and choose different recurring periods for each one. You can also enable conditional logic for both types of payments so that they'll only be processed if a user meets specific criteria in your form. On the front end, the Stripe credit card field allows customers to pay via credit card or additional payment methods like Apple Pay and Google Pay if these services are enabled on their devices. But the best part is that the form will only be submitted if a successful payment has been made, making sure that you can collect payments securely and easily. In just a few clicks, you can integrate your forms with one of the most popular online payment processing solutions available, with the best and most reliable WordPress contact form plugin on the market. Over 6 million smart business owners, designers, and developers use WPForms to build smarter forms. What are you waiting for? Get started with WPForms today.